Welcome to the upgrade of the button. So if you guys have seen in my other videos, I made a button out of Legos and a spring from a pen. Really simple and easy. This is the upgrade of it. So this is what it will be doing when you press it down. This will go up. So really simple. You kind of see in the back how it works, but I'll be showing you guys how to build it, and let's get started. Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is really fun to make. Please subscribe, and bye.